Okay, so I posted this same exact video on my Instagram and I asked if you guys could try to guess what hair I used. Here's some of the responses. Nobody guessed correctly, but if you can see from the title of this video, which is Beauty on the Budget, I got this hair from the beauty supply store and I've used this hair plenty of times before. I have not always been a bundle wearing person, so I know how to work with beauty supply store hair and I actually like it better. Depending on the hairstyle and the look that you're going for, sometimes beauty supply store hair, aka pack hair, aka quick weave hair, whatever y'all want to call it, it comes out better and it gives a better outcome. Just because the hair is kind of cheap doesn't mean that it's not good, and just because things are cheap sometimes doesn't mean they are good. It's kind of tricky, but you just have to know what you're working with. And I know I've been missing off YouTube for a while, but I just been really busy and trying to get my business in order. But today I'm going to be using a 7x7 closure from my hair company. And as you can see, my braids are really ugly, but that's fine because my hair grows better this way. When you leave it alone, that's how your hair grows. I already went ahead and plucked the closure some more, and I cut the little side tab piece off where it's going to go by my ear for a more realistic look. If you're new to my channel, make sure you go and check out all my older videos so you're able to understand each new video. And I'm just showing you guys what this cap looks like. I didn't get a brown cap because I really don't like to use brown caps, because even though I'm brown skinned, my scalp is not brown. So that's why I like to start off with a nude cap and then just put makeup over it. Usually when you're doing a quick weave, you would use a black cap anyway, but I didn't have one, so I just had to improvise by putting makeup all over the cap. I also used the Tailored Crowns lace tint on my closure in the color medium, and then I put a little bit of makeup on it as well, just so it can be my exact skin tone. The products that I'm going to be using today is from my company, and I'm using the Skin Guard and the Hold Me Down adhesive. I also want to show you guys that I started bonding my wefts in. My wefts are also called tracks, whatever you want to call them, it doesn't really matter. But I didn't put them at the very bottom because I don't like when bobs are super thick, especially not in the back. But once the adhesive turns clear, you can go ahead and apply your closure. The products have so many great reviews, and if you haven't already, go ahead and check out my video where I'm using the entire lace system, and I'm also showing you guys that it is waterproof. And if you like to purchase, we restock every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And they sell really fast, so make sure you set a timer and don't miss out on the next restock. I really love the versatility of the 7x7 closure because you can do so many different things with it, and it's less maintenance versus you having a full frontal. But now that the closure is on, you can go ahead and finish bonding your tracks in all the way up to the closure. I'm taking my hot comb, spraying the C Luxe Extension Silkening Mist all over my hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and press my roots out, press the closure out, and then I'm going to take a flat iron and flat iron every piece of hair on my head. I'm using the wax stick, the Frisbee wax stick, to tame away all the flyaway hairs and just to get everything intact, and then I'm going to start cutting. Now this is the most absolute scariest part, because if you cut wrong, it's just going to be completely messed up. So I want you guys to take your time doing this. Like I said, this is a beauty on the budget video and a little DIY project. Do it yourself. It's not too bad. I thought I was really going to mess the back up, but it really didn't mess up that much. Like, it came out pretty good, better than I expected. If you do have someone around to help you cut the back and even the back out, go ahead and do that. And now I'm just going to take out a few baby hair. I'm not going to be too extra today. I just want to go for a really natural look. And I'm just going to cut them, get my Fluff Stuff styling foam, and mold them down. Once I mold them down, sit under the dryer, let them dry. Your hair should look like this at this point. This flat iron that I'm using is one of my favorite flat irons ever, and it's very cheap. It's only like $44 to $45, and you could purchase it at Ulta. I'll put the link down below, and I'm just gonna take a few pieces, like a few chunks at a time, and just put a little slight bump at the end. I don't want it to be a huge curve at the bottom. I just want it to be slightly bumped and natural. And you're just gonna do this all the way through around your whole head. I also put a jet black rinse on this closure, and the color of hair that I brought was a number 1, so they can match. That pretty much sums up this video. You're just gonna, add your little finishing touches, a little bit of oil, some more of the wax. And I had a little issue on the side at the very top, the piece that I'm going to take out right here. I left the flat iron in one spot for too long, so it left a little flat iron mark. But other than that, I really love this style, and it was really easy to do, and it was really quick. And if you guys want to save money and do your own hair at home, closure will be listed down below. The link to the closure will be listed in my description box, along with a discount code. And those packs of hair, you should have those at your local beauty supply store, and they are only like $16 to $20 each pack. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.